take your spotlight.
Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you're watching this. Hi. So, we're gonna get right into this video. This intro is actually filmed on the day this is being uploaded because I realized after editing, didn't really have an intro. But I know what y'all are thinking. She really into this YouTube shit. I know. Period. This is real. This is me. This is the way I'm supposed to be. No Demi Lovato. We are doing hair, makeup. I took y'all along the journey of the whole dinner night, date night, birthday night, everything night, top tier night, everything. Let's get right into this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Y'all some real ones. I'm already over 150 subscribers. What? Thank y'all so much for all the love. I love and appreciate all of you. Yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is just spray some leave-in conditioner. If you didn't see my hair mask video, please go watch that because my hair feels like never before. This is the Mielle White Peony. Hopefully I said that right. Leave-in conditioner for all hair types, sulfate and color safe. Ooh. And next I'm gonna use DevaCurl Believe and Conditioner Miracle Curl Plumper for texture and volume. Looks like this. And I don't know about y'all, but I need to stand up to add on my products. My hair is just too long. Look at this. This is freaking beautiful. Now that we have both of our leave-in conditioners in, I'm gonna go ahead and put some honey and ginger styling gel from Mielle. Please sponsor me. So I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz Free Curl and Mousse with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. I just need to get my hair all prepped and ready for the diffusing process because it's about to lock all this moisture in. So here we go. This stuff is amazing. It smells so good. So a quick little tip that I like to do is kind of scrunch my hair with a t-shirt before I diffuse it. And it seems to be what works best for me. I have the 1875 Pro from Kiss, and I love this diffuser. So I like it on low at first, and then I kind of switch up the settings as I go. The last little round that I do, I cool it so it kind of holds the curls into place. There we have it. Little Miss Curly Sue. All right, hair is done. Let's move on to makeup. And also a little tip to not only get hair out of your face, but to make sure like the front isn't weighing down. I use a clip and make my roots kind of stand up. This one, I don't know where all my long ones went, but this one's kind of hard to use with thick hair. All right, it's as good as it's gonna get. I already did moisturize my face, but I am going to be putting on the 5-in-1 face cream from First Aid Beauty. Ooh, I did not need 2 squirts. And we have our handy dandy little fan to go ahead and lock this all into place and to kind of cool me down because that blow dryer was a little too much. I have Angel in Disguise by Brandy stuck in my head. I'm not sure why. And I will put all my products I'm using down below. All right, eyebrows are done. We use the e.l.f. Putty Primer to go ahead and set and prime the skin. So let's move on. I haven't done my makeup in so long, I almost forgot how to do it. So I am mixing the NYX Born to Glow and the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. Gives me such a beautiful finish, and I love these two together. I know it's 2022 and mixing foundations is not really it anymore, but this combo is to die for. Therefore, I will mix. It literally feels like nothing is on my skin. All right, now I'm gonna spray some of Desi Do Me Over spray. I'm running low. And also this e.l.f. Stay at Night, Stay All Night. And I'm using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Sorry if you hear pounding, my boyfriend is just doing the most right now. I don't like putting a lot of concealer on my face because my face is easily like to be dry with concealer on. And really, makeup is damn near done. I'm not doing the most. When you're beautiful, you don't have to do the most. I hate makeup. Now to bake, we're going to use Revolution Luxury Baking Powder and Mianna. I thank God it's not hot in Texas right now because this would not be happening. Absolutely would not be happening. I really don't like this mark right here. I don't think there's much I can do to hide it. We're gonna set all over with the Maybelline Fit Me. Everybody uses this. Y'all probably knew just by the packaging. Face is almost done. Let's go ahead and put some bronzer in. And most of these brushes I'm using are from e.l.f. or AOA Studio from Shop Miss A. If you haven't heard of them, where have you been? Add some dimension to the face. I used to think you couldn't see this product on my face, and you definitely can. The blush, we have the Note in color Desert Rose. And we're using the e.l.f. Glow Glam Beam for highlight. And this is actually a Luxie brush. Sorry if I'm not saying all the brushes. I'm not in a rush, but kinda. Old school, because your girl don't know how to put lashes on. We're using the Lash Extending Mascara from e.l.f. Mind you, if I forgot any products, I'm super sorry, but I will go ahead and put them down below. I'm gonna put a little brown on my lid just to kind of smooth everything out. And this is the Moonstone from Shop Miss A. And I'm just using this light light brown color right here. Just to add some color to my eye, but nothing crazy. And that's it. We have a lip color. We got the Invaluable. This is my ultimate favorite. Right, so here is the Pretty Little Thing dress. I have some shapewear under here, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear it because it's not staying up. And we got our shoes because I'm not putting these on right now. And I'm just gonna bring a little wristlet because we ain't got time for purses. Pictures to come. All right, guys, so we made it to my cousin's house and we are just, I'm not pre-gaming, but they're pre-gaming. And here's the fit with the shoes. Come on, shoes. So this is the fit. This is the best I can do. Crackers. So we made it to the restaurant. Sitting next to Michaela, of course. And here's baby boo. And we're deciding on what we're going to eat. So they brought bread and butter, Caesar salad, lobster bisque. Is it good? Y'all, the funniest thing, I was just in the bathroom and this lady goes, "You look beautiful. Let me take your picture." I'm about to put the picture in because you could see her in the mirror. She's literally the cutest person ever.
I'm gonna need to speak to the waiter because next time you ask for a drink, I need Sprite. I got the surf and turf.
This is his plate, the surf and turf. Got steak, potatoes, lobster, asparagus. What Michaela get?
I got the red snapper with some Brussels sprouts and apparently some broccoli that I didn't order.
Baby. Oh my God. Please look at my sister-in-law. She's struggling to the bathroom, but food was 10 out of 10. Look at my plate. All gone.
Nothing but a piece of fat.
How do you feel?
I feel full as fuck, but I feel accomplished. I feel like I just won a championship. That shit was great.
Yes, I'm all full. Literally, food was 10 out of 10. Do not have any complaints.
For real. Lobster mac and cheese though? Top
Oh, I didn't show that. We have lobster mac and cheese, and it was literally.
I'll pay $78 for that.
And did probably.
No, 23, but you know what? It's cool.
Y'all, I kind of felt bad because even though we're at like a high class restaurant, I still had to ask for the A1. Everyone is full and happy, either full, drunk, or both. We have the chocolate chip gelato with the chocolate fondue. What is it? Fondue cake. What Michaela get.
I got the tiramisu.
And that's period. Y'all, I'm ready to go home. I'm so full. So yes, night was successful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Cause I know I did, and I look the fuck good. I know that's right.